Sitting on my back, packing my bags, hoping that someone calls me back, planning my next trip on a map, traveling out the road. And I would wish that someone asked me to stay, because I'm getting tired of walking away. My only destination is hope, and I'm missing home. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like to have a place to come back, a warm house, of friends to tell them my story.
A song that I sing on the moon, on a perfect holiday. You're like the warmth of the sun on my skin when clouds look gray. You're like the joy of a trip that's coming to a place with ocean view. You're like an old familiar friend when all is new.
Strumming on a first this summer day. You're like the scent of coffee brewing in the morning. You're like the crackling of a fireplace on a chilly winter.
I've had another cigarette, nothing to prepare me for your side. The way your laughter seemed to go for miles and miles. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty.
상추 있으니까 먹을까?
I didn't know it then, but I wanted to. I didn't know what was before.
안 짜게 하려고 했는데 안 먹어봤어.
It came in
아빠 저 샐러드 줄 수 있어.
but it was never true. I didn't know what love was before.